What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I just bought a Unicorn 7.3 and I am over the moon excited for this. I've looked for this truck for so long. Check out how clean this truck is. Let's go. So here she is. She's a 2000 F250 XLT Super Duty 7.3 Power Stroke. And when I say this thing's the cleanest one I could find, I mean it's the cleanest one I could find. Obviously it was a work truck, so we do have some dents here. That's one of the most noticeable ones right there on the bed. But honestly, look at this. We have one little rust hole starting right there. We just have some like surface rust around, paint's peeling. We're getting a little bit of rust right here if the camera wants to focus. But for the most part, this thing is rust free. We are going to need a new bed floor and some bed rails at some point. Bed rails are showing somewhere, but this thing was undercoated meticulously in its life, and it shows it. Just so nobody accuses me of just showing one side, we have a little dent right there. But honestly, rust-wise, this side is better than the other side. We have a little bit of a boo-boo right there on the door, but yeah, we can get that fixed. So other than this door right here, this fender right here also needs some help. This was a work truck in its former life, and so it had some stickers on it. These stickers peeled the paint off of it, and also if you look very, very closely, this fender's a little bit different color, so we'll have to get that touched up as well. Here's the bed. For some reason the front rail there is bent. I don't know why. It happens to what seems to be every Super Duty ever. Also, it needs a rolling bed liner quite badly, I know, but I'm not sure what these holes are. There's some holes here, there's one up here. They're just kind of scattered throughout the bed. I don't know what they are, and I'm not sure if they're bullet hole or what, but that's slightly concerning. Overall, this is a 2000 XLT, so very basic interior, power locks, power windows that work when they want to. We do have the vinyl floors, nice set of WeatherTech floor mats. Overall, and yes, I tinted it very, very hard because I like tint, and it needed it. So it was a work truck. It was very, very dirty. We have gotten it cleaned up some. But yeah, just, I mean, very clean interior, no rips or tears or anything in the seat. This has a little bit of a crack in it here, but that's to be expected. But overall, very, very happy with it. Love that cell phone mount there. And yeah, overall, just over the moon with it. I absolutely love these mirrors that it came with. However, they are destroyed both sides, so we will have to replace them ASAP. This interior is in very nice shape, but that's not to say it is without fault. If we come in here, you can see that the gear indicator is laying down past the one. The truck currently is in park, so that we're going to have to get a new gear indicator. There is one on the way. Also, at night, you won't really be able to see it, but the lights in the dash are very, very dim, so there are a few bulbs out, so we're going to have to get those replaced too. So cosmetically, this truck is in pretty good shape. It's not rusted out like some trucks for the years, but that doesn't matter if the drivetrain is shot. However, that is where this truck gets even better. Let me show you what I mean. So here's the engine bay. Overall, very, very clean for a truck of this age. This thing does not leak oil, which for a 7.3 is unheard of. And if you notice in the interior, we didn't have a tuner. We have a stock exhaust. However, this 7.3 has the original muffler on it. This thing is all completely bone stock. Never been messed with, never been tuned, fiddled with. This thing is going to be as reliable as the day is long. We were talking all about the bed earlier, and we could see how clean that frame was back there. But check out these cab corners. These things are absolutely rock solid. It is unbelievable the shape that this truck is in. We get a good shot underneath there. Yes, we have some surface rust on the frame, but this thing is just in immaculate condition for the year. So there you have it. That's a quick tour of my 2000 7.3 Power Stroke. This thing is absolutely clean. I love this truck so, so much, and I cannot wait to make many, many more videos to come. And I hope you enjoyed this. If there's any videos you want to see, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.